I guess Red Rock is finally happening.
I'm not really on time, but I guess I'm not too late as well. I guess I can still make it. I haven't brushed or anything. Even if the sunrise happens, I think the light immediately after that wouldn't be too bad either. Navigate to Red Rock Amphitheater. For some reason it's saying that it opens at 9 and it's 21 minutes away. Woo. But I think even if I make it there right now, it should be fine. I was supposed to ideally check out from this Airbnb and leave towards SS Park, but I think I'll just go there, check the sunset out. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, I just woke up. Check the sunrise out. My windshield is still dirty, I still can't really see anything through it. Alright, so here we are. Red Rock Amphitheater is finally happening before I left Denver. I wasn't expecting myself to wake up because last night I slept at 1:40 after editing yesterday's vlog. I genuinely did not think I was going to make it here today. Still a little late because the sun is there. But I guess not bad. So I got a really good start to this day. Woke up early, not as early as I wanted to. The sun was, I think, at 6:45ish, and I was up around at 6:35. So two good things that happened today is, one, I went early to the Red Rock Amphitheater. I've been trying to go there for the past 3 days. That never really happened because of one reason or the other. And I saw a few deers there, which was really nice. Even when I went close to them, they didn't really run away as such. So I could really go close and get some nice footage. I didn't really expect myself to wake up before sunrise. Not that I necessarily reached there before sunrise as such, but I guess about 10-15 minutes after that. But the light out there was really nice. I definitely like to come back to Red Rock Amphitheater when it's actually open and they have some performance going on up there. I left my Airbnb about I think 45 minutes back, and I'm heading towards Estes Park. And the drive from Denver to Estes Park was about an hour and 30 minutes. If you like driving, this is the place to go to. Like, the drive from Denver to Estes Park is really nice. I'm probably going to come back at some point of time on my motorcycle. Though the drive from Dallas to Colorado is about 8 hours. Driving on these roads on my motorcycle is something I'm really looking forward to. Overall, the weather today is much nicer than what it was yesterday. I wouldn't be fooled by the weather now, because yesterday initially it was very sunny, but then later on it started snowing. Even now as I speak, yes, it is sunny, but at the same time it is snowing. I'm already in Estes Park, but the Airbnb that I booked is about only 9 minutes away now. I think I've reached my Airbnb, but I don't see anything out here. Oh, did I lose my way? I think I took the wrong path. So a friend of mine called me right now, and I was speaking to them, and I think I took a wrong turn. My Google Maps is confused. It just asked me to take a left, but I'm not supposed to take that. What the hell? I actually just went to a place and came back, and this is how the road to go up looks like. So this is where I need to go, and this is where I am. But thanks to Google Maps, it's, I think, got me a little higher up on the mountain. To figure out, I'm probably gonna have to just drive back and forth until I reach the destination, because otherwise there is no way to contact that person, because there is zero coverage here again. I know I've said this before, but there is zero coverage. And yeah, so this is another day and another challenge to find my Airbnb. Like, forget even going on hikes. I'm here just looking for my Airbnb, and it is 2:30. Nice. Alright, anyway, even this is fun. The road is very narrow, so I'm gonna have to be a little more careful. But let me just drive straight up and see whether I have to go there. Aspen Cliff Court, this way. I just saw that board right now. and it says I need to go up here. I wonder if this is my Airbnb. Let's figure out. Now again the question is to go this way or this way. It just says Aspen Cliff Court Estes Park, Colorado. That's all there is. Okay, if I say get directions, it says Aspen Cliff Court. This is Aspen Cliff. But the court is missing. I'm just gonna go knock on their door and ask for this address. That is the only option I have right now. But anyway, the drive, which is more important. Look at this. This is something that I really need to show you all. All that is nice, but if I don't find my Airbnb, I'm gonna end up in one of those mountains tonight because it is snowing. And again, a front wheel drive. So the address that they gave me on the Airbnb app, it's of no use right now. But I found another way to get there. I had their Wi-Fi name and password, and I think I can use that here. I'm not sure if you can see. The name of the Wi-Fi is Everview, but it doesn't really have the best connectivity out here. So I think I'm close, and since it's 3 o'clock, I guess in the next 2 hours or so before the sun sets and it gets dark and scary, I should be able to find the house. I just tried knocking on some random door. Nobody opened. I don't even know if anybody lives here. Another challenge is going to be entering the house once I find that. But yeah, solo trip, right? Comes with its own challenges. Another problem. I drove up here from here, and now the problem is I either have to go reverse or somehow try and turn back in this tight space. Let's see. I think it'll make for a good time lapse. I think this is the happiest I've been when my phone got connected to Wi-Fi. The name of their Wi-Fi was Everview. The address did not say anything about Everview, but it says Everview here. I knocked on a few more doors. Nobody opened. I don't even know if there's anybody living around here. This seems like a very nice place. There's my poor car. The view from here is really nice. Forget about the view. The next challenge is going to be trying to enter the house now. I just hope the instructions are clear enough on the app. I haven't checked that. Anyway, I think I should get in the house first and then record later. So I found the place, and this is the right place. I knocked on the door and the old guy came out. I told him I wasn't sure if this was the right place, and he was like, I wasn't expecting you till 5. But yeah, that is my fault. That I should have probably checked the app a little better before coming here. They were expecting me to come here at 5, so he was like, where's your car? And I was like, it's there. Like, okay, park it down there and I'll see you in 5 minutes. Not the sweetest Airbnb hosts I've met till date, but yeah, I don't want to judge him just based off the first conversation. I'm gonna try and take my stuff later and just go in for now and see if he's okay with me coming in right now. It's 3 o'clock, it's not too early, it's 3 o'clock. They were expecting me here at 5, but I don't think I would have been able to come here at 5 because even right now the sun is setting and it's starting to get dark. If it was so difficult during the day to find this house, I can only think of how amazing it would have been based off the description that was there on the Airbnb to find this place. But anyway, I think he's outside and he's waiting for me. Let's go. And that's what my Airbnb for tonight looks like. I should be here for about 3 days. It's already gotten dark. It's about 5:15 right now and it's extremely dark. I don't think I'll be able to go anywhere. But the view outside my room is so nice. I'd probably not even go out and hike and just lay here on the bed for the next 3 days. So today wasn't as dramatic as what it was yesterday. Yes, there were a few challenges. Coming up here, the drive was nice. Finding the Airbnb was a challenge. Funny part was using the Wi-Fi to find the place. I guess I'll just call it today and see what I can do tomorrow. So, the old guy is actually a nice person. It is my fault that I came here at 3 instead of 5. But he was actually a very nice person. He's pretty old. He spoke to me a lot, told me about which hikes I could take, not a lot about what I could do around because there is absolutely nothing around. He talks a lot though. At one point I really wanted him to stop. I'm talking this way because he's right outside. But I guess there's not much to do around. He said the sunrise here is really nice. So I'll see if I can wake up early tomorrow. I don't think I would because it's extremely cold. I'll see if I can do that tomorrow morning. But today it's just 5 o'clock. So I'm probably just gonna watch YouTube or call somebody and call it a day.